Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownloadBlog, and in this video I want to give 5 to 6 convincing reasons to buy the AirPods Pro. Not just lukewarm reasons, but really good, solid reasons, I think, in my opinion, on why you should get the AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So starting off with number one is these. So these are the Beats Studio 3s, and they're kind of expensive. They're obviously very bulky, and on top of these, I also have a pair of Beats Solos at home that aren't as bulky and that have a different purpose of their own. And now I got these with my Mac purchases, granted, but I still do like them a lot for what they offer, especially with noise cancellation. But now that I have AirPods with noise cancellation, I seriously have almost no need for these or my Beats Solo 3s. I will be selling both of these now and replacing them with one much more versatile pair of earphones, the AirPods Pro. So obviously I'm going to be making a little bit of money back by selling these, but also I just don't need the need for a bulky pair of headphones like this, which is awesome. Consolidation is generally a pretty good thing, especially in this circumstance. And these actually do a pretty good job of replacing the noise cancellation that these offer. Especially I've heard good things on airplanes. I haven't flown with these yet, but in a lot of circumstances with steady noise, these do pretty much just as good a job as something like these with far less bulk and without needing multiple pair of earphones for different circumstances. This is going to be awesome to replace these once and for all. Number two, because they have noise cancellation and they don't rely on just a physical separation from the outside world, which the standard AirPods did, which is to say that the only thing separating the outside sound from your ear would just be a little bit of plastic, no technology actually distinguishing the two. Well, now you have something that is actually distinguishing your ear from the outside, and that's the technology inside the AirPods Pro, which is all to say that the outside sound doesn't affect your hearing of the music or audio as much, and therefore you can have your music at a quieter volume. I've noticed when I'm listening to podcasts while I run, what previously I had to play at 100% volume with these, I can play these at like 70% volume and hear it a little bit better than these. Basically what I'm trying to say is that these are going to be better for the health of your ears if you don't have to play them as loudly, if you can block out more sound and focus more on the sound from your own earphones. That's just gonna be better for your ear health. You don't want to damage those ear hairs. Number three, okay, unlike the previous pair of AirPods, these are customizable. If these didn't fit you well or they didn't fit you at all, well, now you have the ability to customize these silicone ear tips to get a better fit in your ear, and I think they should fit a lot more people than they previously did. But also with other headphones, and especially with the AirPods, if they got dirty, the actual earphone was dirty. With these, if these get dirty, it's just the removable silicone ear tip that is getting dirty. You can take it off, you can wash it and clean it, and you don't have to worry about the physical earphone getting dirty, and it's very easy to clean out the wax and just all the grossness from these. So better for hygiene and better for fitting in your ear. The AirPods Pro are just a lot better all around than the previous AirPods and a lot of other options that are much more difficult to clean. Number three, okay, so we talked about how this is more portable. This just fits in the pocket. And because of that, it means that you can take around better focus wherever you go. So I would love to have these around with me everywhere I go, but that's just not practical, not really feasible, and doesn't fit my bag all the time. With these, they're with me all the time, just as the previous AirPods were, and it means that I can better work, better read, better study, meditate, pray, all these things that I might want to do with better silence and focus. This noise cancellation paired with maybe just some white noise from the Apple Music app or from YouTube combined allow me to focus and concentrate a lot better. Just with some active noise cancellation and soft background noise, I can really focus on my task in a way that I couldn't do before when I wasn't using these. And finally, for a lot of intents and purposes, these are designed for exercise. So previously, if you wanted to exercise, you could get the Powerbeats Pro, which were great because of the wing tips and plastic design. Or a lot of people exercise with the Beats because noise cancellation is really good for a workout. Well, now these combine both of those into a lot more manageable package. So for starting, the silicone ear tips does mean that it stays in your ear a lot better, which means that you don't have to buy the rubber ear tips that I would previously use with my AirPods to make sure that they lock in my ear. Not only were these $15 extra, but I had to take them on and off every time I wanted to use them, and I had to make sure that I didn't lose them. Now with the AirPods, not only do you not have to spend any extra, even though of course they are more expensive to begin with, but you don't have to spend more to get a nice athletic fit, but you also don't have to take anything on or off. And finally, they do have a little bit of water resistance, so it should hold up to some sweat and a little bit of rain. So all these combined makes these an awesome choice for exercise. So at the end of the day, I think that these are so killer is because they take a lot of what Beats do, a lot of what Power Beats do, and pretty much all of what AirPods do, combines these three devices into this. That's why I think that this is a really good investment. It allows you to replace a lot of your other earbuds. So those are some convincing reasons why I think you should buy AirPods Pro. Let me know your thoughts. I'll leave links in the description if you want to check out the AirPods Pro. They've been discounted a lot on Amazon lately. Check out that link. Anyway, thanks for watching.